Have you ever wondered why your body keeps getting weaker after turning 60, even though you still eat well, drink milk, add protein, and even exercise regularly? Your steps become slower, and standing up from a chair or carrying a heavy bag feels more complicated. Many people mistakenly believe this is just the law of aging, but it's a sign of muscle loss, sarcopenia. What surprises many is this: 70% of the recovery and rebuilding of your muscles doesn't happen when you eat or exercise. It actually happens at night, while you are fast asleep. Especially during the golden hours between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m., your body is busy repairing damaged muscle fibers and rebuilding them stronger than before. But here's the truth: no one tells you. If your body misses two critical vitamins at night, that rebuilding process is almost like having its switch turned off. You can eat all the meat and fish you want, drink as much whey protein as you like, yet your muscles won't fully recover. This is why many older adults feel their training efforts have been wasted. In today's video, Evelyn Brooks, will reveal the two vitamins you must take at night to reverse muscle loss and help your body grow strong again. Watch until the end, because this could change not only your health and confidence, but also that of your loved ones. And if you believe this topic matters, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you won't miss the valuable health secrets I share weekly. Imagine your body as a repair workshop that comes alive at night. Your muscles work hard throughout the day, enduring strain and countless micro tears. When you sleep, this workshop opens its doors, bringing in each worker to patch, strengthen, and rebuild muscle fibers. But here's the critical part: without vitamin D3, the entire workshop stays dark. The machines never switch on, and the process nearly halts. When you take D3 at night, it's like flipping the power switch for the entire factory. First, D3 activates the VDR receptors inside your muscle cells. These receptors immediately signal your body to draw in more calcium and phosphorus from the food you ate during the day. These minerals are your muscles' raw materials to contract and perform strongly. Without D3, no matter how much calcium you consume, your muscles won't absorb it effectively. And it doesn't stop there. Vitamin D3 acts like the night shift commander. As you sleep deeply, D3 directs your body to increase natural testosterone production, the hormone that determines the speed of protein synthesis in your muscles. That means the meat, fish, eggs, or milk you ate during the day gets sent straight to the assembly line in the repair shop, building new, stronger muscle fibers. Without D3, that process drags, losing as much as 60% of its efficiency. Science has made this crystal clear. A Harvard study followed 400 older adults with low vitamin D levels. After 8 months, the group supplementing with D3 gained an average of 2.8 pounds of lean muscle, while the others gained only 0.4 pounds. This striking difference shows that D3 isn't just a supportive vitamin. The switch activates the entire muscle repair chain. What's fascinating is that centuries ago, the Vikings already knew how to maintain strength through long, sunless winters. They drank cod liver oil, a natural source of vitamin D. Thanks to this, their muscles stayed resilient, strong enough to battle the harsh seas. Today, we finally understand the science behind that ancient habit. It was their secret to preventing muscle loss without sunlight. So, how can you harness the power of D3? Experts recommend that adults over 60 take 2,000–4,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily. The best time is at night, with a meal that contains healthy fats, since D3 is fat-soluble. For example, a simple dinner of grilled salmon with vegetables drizzled in olive oil, or sautéed mushrooms with butter. If you're using supplements, always take them after dinner to maximize absorption. I still remember a 68-year-old woman who often complained that, although she walked regularly and ate well, her body weakened. Her calves shrank, and she needed to push off the armrest to stand up from a chair. Tests revealed she was severely deficient in vitamin D. After several months of consistent nighttime supplementation, her muscle strength changed dramatically. She could climb stairs confidently and carry her grocery bags without needing her children's help. That story proves that your body is never too old to recover. The only question is whether you'll flip the switch for your repair workshop. Vitamin D3 is the key that powers the night shift, where your muscles are rebuilt, reinforced, and made stronger, ready for every new morning. Zinc is the skilled assembler, if vitamin D3 is the switch that powers the workshop and the night shift commander. Without zinc, even if the production line is running and raw materials are ready, the muscle parts cannot be pieced into a complete structure. During deep sleep, your body releases a special growth hormone, GH. This is the command sent to the workshop, instructing it to repair and rebuild damaged muscle fibers. But that command can only be carried out if zinc is present. Put another way, GH is the blueprint, while zinc is the wrench and hammer in the worker's hands. Without tools, construction cannot be completed. In reality, zinc deficiency is widespread. Research shows that about 40% of older adults worldwide lack this mineral without realizing it. What happens then? They may eat plenty of meat and fish, drink milk, or even take whey protein, yet their muscles continue wasting away. The reason is that amino acids, muscle building blocks, are not transported adequately into muscle cells for assembly. The body becomes like a warehouse of materials, with no workers equipped to finish the job. A study at the University of Michigan proved this clearly. 120 older adults deficient in zinc were divided into two groups. One took 20 milliliters of zinc daily, the other did not. After 12 weeks, the zinc group increased their muscle protein synthesis by 34% and recovered 40% faster after exercise. The results speak for themselves. With zinc, the workshop runs smoothly. Without it, everything stalls. What's remarkable is that zinc doesn't just play one role. It's involved in more than 300 different enzymes in the body. These enzymes are like the smaller machines in the workshop, each handling a task, transporting amino acids, activating repair genes, even supporting testosterone production. When zinc is lacking, many of these machines stop running. The assembly line of muscle building breaks down, and you wake up still feeling sore, weak, and no stronger than before. This truth isn't something only discovered by modern science. Over 4,000 years ago, ancient Egyptian healers used zinc-rich compounds to heal soldiers' wounds. They didn't know about enzymes or hormones, but they observed that soldiers treated with zinc powders healed faster and regained their strength sooner. What medicine explains today is that the ancients already experienced this through intuition. So how can you harness the full power of zinc? 1. Adults over 60 are advised to take 15–30 milliliters of zinc daily. 2. Best timing: after dinner or about 2 hours before bed, when digestion has slowed and your body is ready to absorb minerals. 3. Always take it with a full glass of water to support absorption. You can choose zinc supplements from trusted sources. In addition, many natural foods are rich in zinc. Oysters, shellfish, red meat, pumpkin seeds, and cashews. However, the zinc in your diet often isn't enough to meet the needs of older adults, since absorption decreases with age. That's why supplementation has become such a common and safe choice. One note of caution: don't overdo it. Too much zinc can cause digestive upset or interfere with copper absorption. That's why it's essential to stick to recommended doses, and if possible, get your blood levels checked regularly to ensure your body has the right amount. Nighttime is the body's most crucial work shift. Your muscle repair workshop needs quiet, precise hormonal signals and the perfect environment for recovery. Yet specific vitamins and supplements, if taken at the wrong time, act like disruptive noise, power cuts, or jammed machinery, stalling the entire night shift. Here are the three most common culprits. 1. Vitamin B complex, the noise that keeps the workshop awake. B vitamins are often praised for boosting energy and reducing fatigue. True, but only when taken in the morning or early afternoon. If you take a B complex at night, it turns into a troublemaker. Ingredients like B6, B12, niacin, and riboflavin stimulate the nervous system. They make your heart beat faster, your brain more alert, and your metabolism rev up. Imagine bringing a full rock band into the middle of the repair shop at midnight. Instead of focusing on muscle repair, your body must deal with the noise of heightened nerve activity and metabolism, making it harder to sleep. And deep sleep, especially slow-wave sleep, is the stage where your body releases growth hormone, GH, the key factor that stitches torn fibers back together and rebuilds muscle. The repair shop only works half-heartedly without deep sleep, leaving your muscles under-recovered. A 2019 analysis published in Sleep Medicine showed that older adults who took vitamin B in the evening had significantly lower melatonin levels, longer sleep onset, and less time spent in slow-wave sleep. The outcome: muscle recovery was noticeably impaired. On top of that, B vitamins can slightly raise cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol is helpful during the day, but at night it sabotages recovery, since it directly breaks down muscle protein to generate energy. So, if you want the full benefits of B vitamins, take them in the morning with a protein-rich breakfast. That way, you get the daytime energy boost, while leaving the nighttime quiet and clear for your body's repair shop to do its job. 2. Vitamin C, the protector. Who interferes at the wrong time? Vitamin C is widely known as a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and speeds up wound healing, but taking high doses at night, especially close to bedtime, can become a problem. When you sleep, your body naturally creates a small amount of oxidative stress. Don't worry, this isn't harmful. Think of it as a gentle alarm signal that activates the repair process. Triggered by this signal, your body releases growth hormone, activates the mTOR pathway, and channels amino acids into your muscles to build new fibers. But this antioxidant shuts off the alarm when you take too much vitamin C in the evening. It wipes away the oxidative stress, unintentionally silencing the recovery signal. The result: your muscles miss their chance to rebuild. Some studies in older adults have shown that large doses of antioxidants before sleep significantly reduce mTOR activity, the primary pathway for muscle protein synthesis. In other words, even if you eat enough protein, your body doesn't get the signal to use it for muscle building. On top of that, vitamin C can raise norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter that keeps your brain more alert. That means you may be tossing and turning, struggling to reach deep sleep. And on a night of disrupted rest, your body's repair workshop doesn't have enough time to work. By morning, you're left feeling fatigued, with lingering soreness and slower muscle recovery. So, vitamin C is still essential, but take it in the morning or midday when your body needs antioxidants to protect cells during an active day. Leave room for your natural recovery signals to do their job at night. 3. Caffeine, the power cut in the workshop. Caffeine is found in coffee, tea, chocolate, and many supplements such as pre-workouts or energy pills. Taking it in the morning can help you feel alert and perform better. But if you consume caffeine within 6 hours before bedtime, it's almost like shutting off the main power switch in your body's repair workshop. Caffeine works by blocking adenosine, the chemical that makes your brain feel sleepy. When adenosine is blocked, your brain stays alert, making it hard to enter deep sleep. And when deep sleep is shortened, less growth hormone is released, meaning your muscle repair process is cut short too. Not only that, caffeine also raises cortisol, the stress hormone. And as we've already noted, Nighttime cortisol is an actual saboteur. It triggers your body to break down muscle protein for backup energy instead of letting your muscles rest and recover. A 2020 study published in Nutritional Neuroscience found that older adults who consumed caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more lean muscle mass than those who didn't, even though both groups ate the same amount of protein. The only difference was sleep disruption and the lack of growth hormone. This is why many older adults still feel their muscles getting weaker despite exercising regularly and eating a balanced diet. The culprit isn't their meals or workouts. It's often the evening habit of drinking tea, coffee, or unknowingly taking supplements that contain caffeine. The solution is simple. Reserve caffeine for the morning, or at the latest, before 2 p.m. That way, your body is free from stimulation at night, and your repair workshop can run smoothly and completely. These three, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, and caffeine, are not harmful. In fact, they are beneficial when used at the right time. But if you take them at night, they accidentally turn into saboteurs, disrupting the most important shift for your muscles. Always remember, the night is for recovery, not stimulation or heavy antioxidant interference. After 60, every night's sleep is your body's golden shift. That's when the repair workshop switches on the lights, machines run at full power, and torn muscle fibers are patched, reinforced, and rebuilt. However, the workshop can only operate fully if you provide the right materials and environment. We've seen how just two simple nutrients, vitamin D3 and zinc, can flip the switch, bring the workers onto the floor, and help your muscles recover stronger each day. On the other hand, if you accidentally take the wrong things at night, like vitamin B complex, vitamin C, or caffeine, the workshop is disrupted, and your body loses a precious chance to recover. The good news is, you can start right now. One vitamin D3 capsule with dinner, a dose of zinc before bed, and cutting out caffeine after lunch are small steps, but powerful enough to change your health and strength. None of us wants to grow weaker with age, and you don't have to. Your body can still repair itself if you give it the chance. So, what about you? Have you ever tried taking D3 or zinc at night? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the nutrition and health secrets made, especially for those over 60.